In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Lookup component in Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or just getting started, mastering the Lookup component can greatly enhance your ability to create dynamic and powerful flows. So let's dive right in and break down each step. First, you'll need to head over to Salesforce. Make sure you're logged into your account, as everything we'll be doing today is from the setup mode. Once you're logged in, take a glance up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. That's your gateway to customizing your Salesforce experience. Go ahead and click that gear icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Setup. This will bring you to the main configuration page for Salesforce. Now, let's streamline your search. Over on the left-hand side, you'll notice a quick find box. This is incredibly useful for navigating through Salesforce's numerous features. In that box, type Flows and click on Flows when it appears in the list below. This action will direct you to the Flows page, a central hub for managing your Salesforce automation. Once on the Flows page, you'll want to choose Screen Flow. Screen flows are perfect for creating interactive processes that guide users through a series of screens. On selecting Screen Flow, you'll be prompted to create a new flow. Locate the plus icon on the screen. Clicking this allows you to add new elements to your flow. Select Screen from the options that pop up. Now it's time to incorporate your Lookup component into the screen you've just added. Take a look at the left side panel, which lists different components you can drag into your flow. Find the Lookup component and drag it over to add it to your screen. This component allows users to search for and select different Salesforce records dynamically. With the Lookup component in place, you'll need to configure it according to your requirements. Each organization is different, so your configuration might vary based on what records you're working with. During this step, input the necessary information such as which object the Lookup should reference. Make sure each setting aligns with your specific use case. Finally, the hard work is almost done. After you've configured your Lookup component, remember to save your flow. It would be a shame to lose everything you've worked on so carefully. Once saved, you'll see an option to activate your flow. Make sure to click this. Activation makes your flow live, ready to be used by you and your team. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use the Lookup component in Salesforce. With this knowledge, you can build intricate, user-friendly flows that leverage Salesforce data in dynamic ways. Remember, practice makes perfect. So feel free to explore additional configurations and possibilities within Salesforce to see what else you can achieve. Thank you for watching, and be sure to join us next time for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Salesforce.